nature art.
Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. This nature art is sweet. Look at this. I'm speechless. My mind is scrambled. I can't believe it.
Yep, my Aunt Reva made it all herself. She's a true artiste, baby.
Pine cones bursting with color. How amazing. How imaginative. How pine-coney.
Thank you very much.
Aunt Reva! Aunt Reva, this is Nature Cat, Squeaks, and Daisy. And guys, this is my Aunt Reva. Her name is Reva, and she is my aunt. Aunt Reva! Love her!
And Reva, your nature art, so beautiful, so innovative. We just love it.
Oh, thank you, dear. So I asked Hal to invite you here today for a very special reason. Oh, and it's a surprise.
Oh, I love surprises, Aunt Reva. Ask anyone. The secret to surprises is that they're so surprising. Wink, wink.
So, what is the surprise, Aunt Reva?
I'm inviting all of you to be a part of my nature art show.
We get to make nature art. We get to make nature art.
Aunt Reva, can you give us some hints on how to make nature art?
Well, when something surprises you in nature, look closely at it, and you might find a way to capture it forever. Like this, and this. Oh, and this one over here. That's my favorite.
But how did you do this? And this, and this?
Yeah, what he said and said and said.
Nature is filled with surprises as far as the eyes can see. Look around you for wonders galore. So go, it's time to explore.
Oh, man, cut the mouse in. Finally, I'll be an artiste as well.
Okay, but Aunt Reva, just a quick question here. How will we know it's art?
Oh, Hal, you'll know. Now go. All of you, go. Scatter to the winds, let your creative juices flow. Just be back here at 3 to show off your nature art. Ta-ta.
Oh, wow. Our very own art festival.
I'm gonna go to the beach.
I'm going to photograph nature in all its glory.
I shall let the woods be my muse.
What are you gonna make, Nature Cat?
I don't know yet. You heard Aunt Reva. Being creative takes time. Onward and onward.
We get to make nature art. We get to make nature art. Oh, shells? Yes, they're also surprising. They'll make beautiful nature art.
Hey, bud, what's the big idea?
Oops, sorry. I thought you were done with this. I didn't mean to pick up your house. My bad.
That is sweet.
Yeah, baby.
Nature art? Nature art? Wherefore art thou, nature art? Oh, hello, Nature Cat. Hello, Ronald. Aren't you going to the Nature Art Festival? Why, yes, of course I am going. Are you going as well? Of course I'm going to the art festival, Nature Cat. Well, then what are you making, Ronald? I found these colorful bird feathers in the woods and was so inspired by them that I'm creating a rainbow of incredible beauty, if I must say so myself, which I do. Sounds really amazing, actually. And you? What are you making, Nature Cat? It is a surprise. Yep, surprise art. Awesome. I love surprises, if I do say so myself. And I still do.
Me too. Remember from before? At the beginning of the episode? I love surprises. Ask anyone.
Don't you worry about me, Ronald. I have this nature art thing under control. It's going to be so amazing. Really, it is. Like, for sure. Really. Just you wait to see it. My art. The surprise that I know about. Really. Whatever you say, Nature Cat. Well, back to my nature art. And good luck making your nature art, if you ever actually make something. Toodle to the ooh.
Whoa, amazing. I wonder how Aunt Reva came up with the idea to do this.
This piece here was inspired by the Gardens of Gold. I just had to capture the sunflower's glorious beauty for all eternity.
I hope I can do something just as beautiful.
Of course you can, Nature Cat. I find when I'm searching for an idea, just grasping for inspiration, I just relax and spend some quiet time with nature.
Just you and nature, huh?
Yes, just the two of us, nature and I. I take in all the sights and sounds and smells around me. And you know what? You'll be surprised and delighted at what inspires you.
Thank you, Aunt Reva. I'm off to get inspired. Nothing can stop me now. Whoa, yeah, just kind of tripped there. Anyway.